Hey guys, it's Roxy and Ben from So Vegan.
For anyone thinking of going vegan or just wanting to eat more plants, we thought it'd be a good idea to share with you our top 5 super simple swaps you can make right now that will help you on your journey.
Swap number 1, plant-based milks. There are so many different flavours of plant-based milk out there, from cashew and almond to oat and rice milk, and they're available in supermarkets everywhere. Plant-based milks are not only way better for the environment, they're often fortified with nutrients your body needs like vitamin B12, vitamin D and calcium, so it's a no-brainer.
Swap number 2, dairy-free margarine or butter. We absolutely love toast, and there's nothing better than waking up in the morning to a few slices of thick toast covered in margarine and butter and your favourite spreads. And going vegan doesn't mean that you have to miss out on any of that.
There are now more plant-based butters and margarines than ever before. You don't need animal fats to create delicious vegan-friendly butter. We use it on toast and in baking.
You'll find vegan-friendly butters and margarines in the free from aisle at your local supermarket, and again, it's one of the easiest swaps you can make right now.
Swap number 3, dark chocolate. When your sweet cravings kick in, don't worry, you can still enjoy a delicious bar of chocolate. Just opt for a bar of dark chocolate that's got 70% or more cocoa content, as these tend to be vegan.
And if you're new to dark chocolate, it can take some getting used to. The flavours are way more complex, but we absolutely love the sweetness and the bitterness that you won't get from milk chocolate.
We use dark chocolate all the time, in our porridge, even in a vegan chili, or to make an epic chocolate cake.
Swap number 4, bananas. This might seem like the most bizarre swap of them all, but did you know that bananas are in fact a great replacement for eggs in baking?
They act as a binder and they add moisture and natural sweetness, which is perfect for vegan baking. Simply use 1 mashed banana in place of 1 egg in your recipe, and it's as easy as that.
They work particularly well in kind of gooey bakes, so think of your brownies, think of your fudgy cakes, and that is exactly our kind of food.
Swap number 5, lentils. We both grew up eating traditional dinners like shepherd's pie and bolognese, so we never thought we'd be able to give up minced meat, but lentils are a great replacement.
For some reason, lentils get a bad rep, but we use them all the time in our food to bulk out things like pastas or our epic vegan barbecue meatloaf.
Not only are they high in fibre and protein, they soak up loads of flavour, so they're really easy to work with.
So there you have it. We hope these 5 simple swaps will help you eat more delicious plants.
And if you're on the lookout for super simple vegan recipes, make sure you grab a copy of our debut cookbook, So Vegan in 5, with over 100 super simple 5-ingredient recipes.
Going vegan just became easy.